back to our channel Techno Logic. I hope you all are doing amazing and you all are healthy. We are back with the another unboxing video of Canon EOS M50 Mark II. And I believe that this, in end of the year, I'll be just thanking to the Big Billion sale by Flipkart because it wouldn't have been possible without the sale. The actual price of this beauty stands out to be 67K, but I got it under 55K. That's so pretty amazing dope deal. So that is how the outer box looks like. The camera image, manufacturer information and whatnot. Okay, we have certified information. The picture, the contents are written in different languages. So that is pretty much outside of this particular box. If I talk about the key feature, effective pixel 24.1 MP, sensor type SCMOS, Wi-Fi is available, 1920 into 1080. So that is pretty much the key feature that I'm talking about. Inside the box, this is how it looks like. So the first thing that I get a hold on is the USB cable, which will help you to charge the battery. And now I see the next thing is the camera strap that you can definitely adjust according to your convenience to capture your amazing pretty moments. So that's the Canon strap for you. Next thing we get a hold on is the battery charger. That is how the battery charger looks like. Down the area that you see, you need to just insert the battery. Whenever you're drained out of your battery, you can charge it. You will just need to connect the USB in that way, and once you connect to the socket, your battery is ready to get charged. Next thing that I can see is the module, the guideline, which is so amazing. Thanks to its ISO range, the picture you take will feature more detail and less noise. Even when you are shooting in low light environment, servo AF can be used to take picture of your subject with accuracy and precision. And the best part, shooting human object subject with this camera is made easier thanks to the features such as eye detection, AF with servo AF and movie servo AF. While shooting the viewfinder, you can make use of the screen as a touchpad with the touch and drag AF feature. Touchpad I'll just gonna show you when we will see the monitor, so that we will gonna talk about. So this camera enable you to record content 4K. And now I got a hold on battery. This is how the battery looks like, and we have the USB cable and the battery charger. And now I'll just gonna show you how to insert it. So this is how you put in the battery, and now you can charge it. Easy peasy, huh? Okay, now if I talk about the lens, okay, I am just gonna hold the lens. So the best part about this, with this camera, you can take spectacular time-lapse video of sunrise, sunset, landscape, more in 4K resolution. And now by changing the lenses of the camera, you can add more variations to the images you take. This camera can accommodate EFM lenses with the assistance of the EOS M mount adapter. It basically, use up to 70 available EF and EFS Canon lenses. Oh my god, that is so amazing. So you are adding variations to your images. And next, the most important part, to make things more convenient for you during remote shooting, this camera comes with Wi-Fi connectivity that ensure easy pairing with compatible smart devices. And it also supports NFC, so you can directly transfer the images you have taken. And now I got a hold on the camera. So this is how the camera looks like. This is the focus, the button, the flashlight. And now we will see the shutter speed, the recording, the focus, the aperture. And this is the area where you need to insert the jack or the micro for your audio if you're vlogging to get a crystal clear audio. Focus, that is. Now we were talking about the best thing, that is the touch screen, right? So thanks to the very angle touch screen LCD monitor of the camera, you can take self-portrait with ease. You can also shoot low angle and high angle content without much trouble, even while holding your camera vertically. Yes, you heard me right, vertically. And as I informed you, with this camera you can exact still images, record 4K content, you can modify it. So thanks to the creative assist feature, even amateur photographers like me can make their photo look professional, as it allows you to select the right effect. I hope you like this video. Do like, share, subscribe, comment below to our channel. Stay tuned. Bye bye.